And here's some tips today for you to fast track your LifterLMS affiliate application approval, which is good to know for LifterLMS and other affiliate platforms as well. The big idea here is less is more. So instead of signing up for a million affiliate programs and spamming the internet with affiliate links about everything and anything, quality matters, focus matters. So people apply to the Lifter LMS affiliate program. What we look for in an application is that they're either probably a Lifter LMS user, or they use it with their clients or their agency and they just got an LMS project and they want to use Lifter LMS for the project. Or they're a content maker who makes lots of content about, for us, like WordPress or online courses or coaching, online learning, instructional design, things of that nature. Because we don't just accept everybody who applies. There's actually a lot of people we reject who are clearly just spamming the internet with affiliate program applications. And when you provide a link to your website on the affiliate application, for us, our criteria is we want to see an online course site or somebody who's an expert on the topic or somebody who recommends WordPress tools or maybe a partner software product in our industry that we share the same kind of user. But sometimes we get affiliate links for things like fashion, or not affiliate links, affiliates that are applying to the program about but their whole online presence is about fashion blogs or travel, and they don't have any travel or fashion courses or hair care products and stuff like that, with no indication that they do any kind of hair care online training. So we reject ones like that. So what we're looking for are people who actually use Lifter LMS, people in the WordPress community, software vendors, agencies, freelancers, those types of folks. So when you set up your affiliate profile, make it clear that that's what you do. The site that you link to is important. And also there's a part in there where you talk about how you're going to promote Lifter LMS. And it could just be like one sentence. Hey, I'm a user. I'd like to recommend Lifter LMS to other people like me. Done. You're in. But if there's like no description of how you're going to promote it, or all you have is like a coupon site with discounts for anything and everything, it's going to get rejecting. So just spend some time to make your profile look good, and your description of how you plan on promoting Lifter LMS or whatever affiliate programs you're going to apply for. And in the best case, we already know who you are. Like, we may already have a relationship. I'm like, oh yeah, there's that company that we did this thing with, or there's that person from our community. So that's not required, but affiliate marketing is a relationship. So invest in the relationship, have a real profile, and communicate effectively.